Jude and I are doing diff services on a 2018 Hyundai Tucson, and Jude was like, the front diff holds
0.3
and the rear diff holds
0.5.
and we're like, what the hell? You think it's important to change your differential fluid every 30,000 miles? Crazy, dude. I can't believe it.
You dumbass. You closed the fucking valve. No wonder. Like, why is this fighting?
I was wondering why it was so noisy, too.
I was like, what is going on?
We just did this yesterday. You think I think I knew what I was doing? Holding my tool?
No, clearly not.
Holding the tool?
Oh my god. Like, oh!
That's it.
That's the money shot right there.
She's full. It's not milky like the fluid we took out.
It almost did.
Money shot.
That's the money shot right there.